If person like me, wey be popular person wey dem know, person like me wey dem know, nobody fit do anything. Na people orphanage wey dem no know from anywhere na dem dey give 250 million. It's so funny.
Our artist, musician Baba Fryo wey im sing dem go dey dengen dengen, dem go dey pose, the man don come out blast Davido. Let us know say e dey funny how Davido donated the 250 million naira to orphans that nobody knows about, and Davido abandon him that everybody knows. Baba Fryo don come out let us know say e get one time wey im dey very depressed and e ask for Nigerians for help. Like he came out to ask Nigerians for help, and unfortunately people no respond to am. He let us know say him wey be say in a public figure people know about. Imagine why they no help am, but now Davido get the privilege to give out 250 million naira to orphans when people no know. Say e dey funny to am how most celebrities dey go through a lot, like some dey sick, some dey into depression, and they go come out publicly to ask for fund, but people no go assist them. The way wey Davido take donate this 250 million to orphanage homes across Nigeria no good at all. Na Nigerian Commenters Association blast Baba Fryo, let am know say na Davido money. When e come out come dey ask e colleagues and friends make dem donate 1 million naira to am. People fix say Davido wan use that money claim im Rolls Royce, but unfortunately Davido surprise Nigerians with the good heart wey e get. E don decide to donate that money to orphanage homes, so make anybody no come blast Davido on what or how e use this money. According to some comments, see entitlement o, you fall my hand bros, no one is mandated to help you, so stop talking like it's your right. You would have gotten more if you simply said Davido no forget me o. The way Nigerians feel entitled to someone else's money is alarming. What manner of sense of entitlement is this? So it's only famous people that requires help? Children that doesn't have parents and cannot work yet to take care of themselves should be ignored? Like, make somebody help me. You made my childhood, Baba Fryo, but this isn't greed. How many people did you help when you were the hottest thing in the country, sir? If you ever did, I pray they remember you someday, and may God repay you. I not support you and I not abuse you. Guys, how now they see this matter when Baba Fryo can let us know about Davido giving out his 200 million naira he got from friends and colleagues, adding an extra 50 million naira, making it 250 million to the orphanage, and people go still come out come they talk about wetin Davido do not right. Like how people mind dey even be. Guys, abeg make una drop una comment, make una hail una opinion whether wetin this Baba Fryo come talk whether e dey right or not. And guys, make una not forget how people criticize Davido, as I talk before, when he came up with this challenge, like how they come dey let us know say e don broke, like he don't even have money to claim his car, not knowing say Davido get another motive, like a positive motive to benefit humanity. So guys, make una drop una comment. This na Violet Bass TV. To all my returnees, God bless you massively. And if you never subscribe, abeg make you smash on the subscribe button. Make you also remember to put up the post notification bell, so that anytime when I come up with any latest update, you will get notified and be the first to watch. Lest I forget, guys, make we wish our Davido, King David, the man of the moment, a happy blessed birthday as he's celebrating his birthday in Dubai. He's currently in Dubai with his DMW crew, families and friends, celebrating his 29th birthday. Like, Davido deserve a standing ovation, and only one day no go reach to celebrate Davido for this thing when he do. He deserve 1 week of celebration. He's a man with a heart of gold. Like, whether you like it or not, you will definitely like Davido. He has a heart of giving. He's always there for people. According to one of the DMW crew member, he say if you poor and you dey around Davido, you get home problem. Like, Davido will always want to see you succeed. That's just him for you. And the way he love his children equally, whether they are from different baby mamas, like, he don't even joke with his kids. His kids are his first priority. That one no say really na Davido na good person. Guys, make una drop una comment and make una hail una opinion on how this man take dey para for the money wey Davido give orphanage homes. And Davido let us know say he don set up 5 group of committee members wey be say go share that money across many orphanage for Nigeria, and people go still get mind take dey criticize Davido. Guys, abeg make I drop the full video. Meanwhile, hustle make you no go dey put eye for person money.
Yeah, my people, good morning. I salute everybody. I get things when I dey see for social media. They give 200 million to orphanage, and then 50 million, make everything 250 million to orphanage. To me, the thing they did funny to me. I remember when I did depressed, they tagged many of my colleagues. They tagged Davido, they tagged Two-Face, they tagged other people. But none of them respond. Now people will never see me for this live, people will not know me. Now them respond. I can put up, say, yes, I see people like you and other people, Choki, all of them, at least they responded with them, they call me, they interview me. But this 200 million, when I see, when I hear, I see for social media, it surprise me. If person like me, where the popular person where they know, person like me where they know, nobody fit do anything. Now people orphanage where they don't know from anywhere, now they give 250 million. It's so funny. Look, I go advise Nigerians and black people, make we wise up, make we stop all these things, make we stop them. Because see, Oyibo people know they do all these things, so they know they do them at all. All waiting with they do, they look so funny. Not be say, I say make them give money to orphanage na bad thing, no, because I don't be ambassador to an NGO. And this NGO, I know they call it 1 naira. But funny enough, when I get depressed, get that problem, the NGO self no respond. You see waiting how black man sense be, you see how it be. Now I see 200 million, they post them everywhere. See the video want to they give money to orphanage. They get 5-man committee to distribute that money. Everything sounds funny to me. To me, if I see people they do good, I appreciate them. Not because I say a bad thing, but I did want to ask people, say, person like me, where cry out, when people know where cry out, they not feel help the person where they know. Now people where they not know, where we not they see their face. Now then they help out with 250 million. What would they think? Shall we call that on wickedness? Or would they call that on ignorance? What we open our eyes well. Even this Nigerian government self, Delta State government, I tag them. I tag River State. I tag Lagos State. None of them shake body. Now wickedness won't call them or now ignorant. But today now they see 250 million. They say they want to distribute to orphanage all over Nigeria. It did too funny. So I go advise Nigerians, make we open our eyes, make we know things when they go on, and some things when it be say not they right, make we they shun them. Now my own, now I just talk so. If I not like, I know say some people they believe in say they follow one person. If they see the truth, they could cover the person. They could cover the person yash. They could abuse that person where they talk through. If I not like, make una abuse me. But me, Baba Frayo, I don't talk my mind. You dey hear me so? I don't talk my mind.